Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's prepare a delicious roti noodles with this leftover roti. This simple, quick and easy leftover noodles can be easily cooked adding with few ingredients. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. Since we are making roti noodles, we'll cut it into thin slices so it looks like a noodles. You can cut this by using knife or you can also use scissor. Now it's done. Let's begin to prepare the noodles. Now switch on the flame, heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Now the oil is hot enough. Let's add finely sliced onion. Here I have taken 1 onion. All the veggies should be sliced as we are preparing noodles. Now saute it well. When the onion slightly changes its color, let's add in 1 teaspoon of sliced ginger and garlic. Now saute well till the raw flavor goes. Now it's time to add the veggies. Here I am using green bell pepper and sliced carrots. You can choose any of the veggies of your choice. If you want to add the non-veg, you can add chicken pieces at this time. Now saute well. Add enough salt into it. Now let's add all the spices. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now mix it well. Just saute for a minute. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Give it a good mix. And let's add in 2 teaspoons of pasta sauce. If you don't find pasta sauce, you can also use 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Now give it a good mix. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. This gives a tremendous taste to our noodles. Mix it well. Now it's well combined. Let's add in the sliced rotis into it. Toss all of this well. Now the roti noodles are perfectly done. One tip I would like to say that serve this delicious noodles when it is hot. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notification. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.